Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting the essentials so you can act fast. Pull your plan ID and group number, then locate the insurer phone and website. Gather recent bills, prescriptions, and provider names to verify claims quickly. Check deductible and out-of-pocket max to know when full coverage starts, and note coverage percentages for common services. Once done, call member services if anything is missing. You'll save time and avoid denied claims later. Next, submit claims and verify details step by step. Use the insurer portal to upload itemized receipts and attach any referral or pre-authorization forms. This speeds processing. Make sure providers were in network to lower your costs, and note claim ID so you can follow up. If a claim is complex, ask for an estimated processing window and the exact codes used. Once submitted, watch the status. Call within the given time frame if processing stalls to prevent denials. Finish by reviewing the explanation of benefits line by line to confirm codes, dates, and amounts match your records. If you find an error or denial, file an appeal promptly and include supporting documentation and a clear statement of why coverage applies. Make copies of everything and log dates, representative names, and confirmation numbers so you can escalate if needed. If problems persist, request a supervisor or external review. Persistence and organized records often resolve tricky disputes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.